Ljubljana is at the top of the recycling heap in Europe, but still, each resident throws away about 10 kilos of useful stuff per year. That's why Snaga, Ljubljana's waste management company, wants to shift the focus from recycling to reuse, meaning old and useful stuff does not get thrown away. It gets reused. We wanted to address this in an emotional way. So, we took a once very popular Slovenian singer, Oto Pestner, who had been out of the public spotlight for quite some time. And we reused Letiva, his forgotten song from 1978. In 2013, we promoted it through radio stations. We revealed our campaign through posters promoting the song and a logo promoting reuse, which was also posted on 25,000 places where good things end up all too soon. This got the attention of the media. Oto Pestner was invited for an interview at Radio 1, the most popular Slovenian radio station, where he revealed the mission of our campaign.
Ljudem predstavljati je avtomatsko postala ponovni hit.
Torej, pobuda Snaga si rekel, da je tlele zadnji, ne? Ki nam želi povedati, da ni treba stran metati, odlično.
National Television prepared a prime-time documentary film about the singer.
Me veseli, da je raziskovanje po arhivu še vedno živo in se veselim kakšnih raritet, na katere sem že tudi sam malo pozabil.
Philosophy of reuse was largely accepted by the residents of Ljubljana, as 20,000 old items did not end up in trash, but found new owners instead. And a good old song got another life.